Frank Codier, got the phone. The goods. All right. I go by the name Champion LA to the ZO. Champion LAZO. LAZO for short. Yeah. So today, nothing day. The best thing you can do is to hit that follow button. Exclusive content. Let me use this opportunity to address my little followers here. I'm going about 1,000 followers, and yeah, I haven't stopped dancing. I'm still your number one dancer. There's an issue. I'm not physically fit. I'm not 100% fit. I've been having issues with my lower abdomen. It heals a cut now back, so I'm here to bounce back. All right, but hopefully, follow my other account too, Champion LAZO. You'll see me on the dance floor very soon. You know how we do. Hey, cut the ball.